Morning, my dear friends. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. In this connection, I am thinking of releasing videos about the growth and development of IMD. This I have started from 26th January 2022 and proposed to continue till 15th August 2022. Friends who are watching this video, if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe the channel by pressing the subscribe button and also by pressing the bell icon. We are talking about weather radars. Already 4 videos we have seen. This is the 5th video on weather radars. In the last video, we were talking about the S-band radars and how the maximum wind associated with a cyclonic storm was estimated using radar echo intensity, and also how the rainfall was estimated even with analog radars, S-band radars. So in 2002, digital S-band Doppler radar started coming. The first radar was installed at Chennai. In 2002, installation started. 2003, it was dedicated to the nation. So a lot of work was done preparing a building, because this was going to house a lot of computers, digital receiver, digital transmitter, klystron, 2K display systems. So for this, optimum temperature has to be maintained. So the whole block is to be under strict temperature maintenance. Even before that, it was there. The first advantage of this system was that along with the introduction of Doppler Weather Radar, the computer technology also had a tremendous growth during this period. We were able to transmit the pictures by email or a special internet connection, ISDN connections if we have, then the pictures can go. By the time, India Meteorological Department also had started a website. So maintaining a website is also again a big problem. You know that it will occupy a lot of memory in the server where the website is there. And this is a Government of India department, so there should be a lot of internet security. Nobody should hack the system. So these security measures were there. And it should have dynamic memory as well as static memory. Means every 10 minutes one Doppler radar picture is coming. Means it should go to, it will be automatically uploaded in our website. Now we have more than 30 Doppler radars. So all the pictures are coming there. Means our dynamic memory, where these pictures will remain for till the next observation is uploaded. And these pictures are to be there to see the animation for 24 hours. So for that, this should be in static memory also. So the internet capacity, server, website, picture transmitting technology, all these things have come along with Doppler radar. It did not come immediately. When the first Doppler radar was installed at Chennai, all these things did not come on a single day. It took a lot of time, but they came very fastly. But now we are seeing the radar echo superimposed over an Indian map. So initially this was a problem because detailed maps were considered as a high secret of the government of India. So we have to got permission from government of India departments, but now it is not there. With even a mobile phone can display very detailed maps for us. So that keeping maps as a secret, that zamana badal gaya. So, but when Doppler radar came in Chennai, at the time, to have an exact coastal line, many places in the Indian coast for the 500 kilometers range, north-south in both directions, we may have to feed the latitude, longitude of these places for many places. So we were doing it, all these things we were doing it. But the best, so the pictures we were able to see, all were able to see because it is in website. So all the forecasting stations all over the India. Now the private bloggers also is using all these. This was showing the PPI for shorter range. That is a zoomed image. For bigger range, then max Z image, which was earlier we were finding out using the RHI technology, range height indicator, but now here it will come in for all the directions. So X direction, Y direction, the height will be shown in the map, which will give a very nice information about the clouds and weather systems in the around the radar. And for this sake, the radar has to do a volume scan. So first at 0 degree, one scan, 0.2 degrees, one scan, then 1 degree, one scan, 2 degrees, 4 degrees, 6 degrees, like that. When we raise this to 8 degrees, our range under which the clouds from ground to 6 kilometers will be seen here exceeding. So there is no need to raise it further. We will raise it further in case there is a cyclonic storm in the sea at about 300, 400 or 500 kilometers, and it has a very large, very tall clouds. Just to see that, we used to scan that this one. So first there will be a 500 kilometers radiation 0 degree scan, then a volume scan, then 600 kilometers at minus 0.2 degrees scan, then for short range scan. So all these 4 scans at different stations, they will arrange these scans in a different way, and for completing one cycle it may take 30 minutes or so. After that it will take after one particular observation it will take 5 minutes. Volume scan minutes means 10 minutes to get the final output. So after that the final output will be uploaded in our website. This is the present practice. But now magnetron was no more there, because when magnetrons were there, when analog radar was in use, the frequency may be plus or minus 10 hertz. But in Doppler radar, you cannot have such liberty. The frequency should be 2894.3946. This much accurate frequency will be transmitted, because the Doppler shift in the reflected echoes will be very, very, very small. To calculate that, your transmitted rays frequency should be very, very accurate. For this purpose, stable oscillator, klystron based generator, all these things will be there. So this, with all these things, it's a major development. IMD, introduction of Doppler radar. So after Chennai, Calcutta radar came. Then Masulipatinam and Visakhapatnam came. All these things are purchased from Germany, a company called Germatronic. So almost for more than 10 years, these radars have worked now. So under wear and tear, they are all becoming old, and they have to be replaced. But around that time, other S-band radars in Paradeep, new S-band radar at Sriharikota, then a new S-band radar at Kochi. So replacement of radar at Goa, Bombay, and Bhuj. All these things were happening. Now we are in the process of installing about 27 radars purchased from China. Next radar. This is called as MedStar Next Radar type radars. This had a lot of hiccups in the beginning, but now all those things have been solved, and many radars, the first phase radars have been installed. In the meantime, research in indigenous radars are going on, and now we are ready with indigenous Doppler dual polarization radar. What are they? We will see in the next video. Goodbye.